Here's a quick tutorial on how to get started with public service loan forgiveness. I am on the studentaid.gov website and I've already logged into my account. The URL, as you can see here, is studentaid.gov/PSLF. So if you come to this page without logging in, it'll give you the option to log in here, but as I've mentioned, I've already done that. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start. But before I do, I just want to point out a couple of things on this page. There is this Become a Public Service Loan Forgiveness Help Tool Ninja that can help you get started. There are some special measures that are currently enacted for COVID-19 relief, so you may want to get familiar with those before applying. There's a special announcement there. And then there's also some information down here saying, who is this for? How long will it take? Completing the entire tool is estimated to take 30 minutes, but this will not be a 30-minute tutorial. This is just to get you started. And then it's telling you before you do get started, what you'll need is you're going to want either your employer's W-2 or your employer's federal employer identification number. Then there's some frequently asked questions about public service loan forgiveness down here. But if you're watching this tutorial, we're going to assume that you already have an idea of what public service loan forgiveness is. So once you've logged in, you can go ahead and click Start to start the PSLF help tool. And here they give you a little disclaimer. It's important that you understand eligibility, criteria, what qualifying payments are, your loan status, your loan type. Definitely, talk to someone, call your loan servicer if you have any questions. My colleagues are certainly welcome to reach out to me and I will help in any way that I can. But this is just a basic rundown and it does help to get familiar with what's going on because, things are changing. There's the COVID-19 relief measures right now, and I know that the current administration is reviewing ways that they can make improvements to this program. And then they're giving you a little reminder that you should use this every year or whenever you change jobs, because as your employer information and income information change, the whole setup of your PSLF might change as well. So I'm good with all of that. I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. And then you'll see these are the areas of which I'm going to have to fill out to complete the tool. So I just go through, I can add an employer. If you have the employer's identification number, you can search for that here. You want your employer start and end date. And I'm not going to go too much further into this because it's going to start to give you my personal information, which I don't want to disclose how much I owe in loans because it'll probably scare you. So all I'm going to say is, this is how you get to the tool, log in, the information that you need, put in your employer's identification number, your employment start and end dates. If current, then you can put something along those lines. It's going to talk to you about your loans. So you have to be in a repayment program that is applicable to the public service loan forgiveness. So it has to be something income driven. Again, your loan servicer can assist you with that. Application details, they'll get further into what public service loan forgiveness requires and what your specific application will look like. Reiterate your personal information, review and save, and then what it's going to do at the very end is it's going to give you the form that you need to fill out for public service loan forgiveness. And actually, let me see if I can find that real quick to just show you what the form looks like. So this is what the form will look like. And once you fill out everything in the tool, most of this will be pre-populated for you. So it'll have all of your information here. It will have everything filled out here. And then it'll have it should have your employer's name, the employer's EIN, address, etc., all here, so that your employer will just have to verify your information and sign off on it. So that's it to get started with public service loan forgiveness. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.